Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix an IRS payment not received issue step by step. First, confirm whether your payment was actually processed by checking your bank account, card statement, or IRS payment confirmation number. If you paid online, log into IRS Direct Pay or EFTPS to verify the transaction status. Sometimes payments appear delayed due to banking processing times, so wait a few days if it was recent. Next, check if the payment was applied to the correct tax year and social security number, because even small errors can cause mismatches. If the payment still shows missing, contact your bank or payment provider to trace the transaction. You may also need to call the IRS and provide proof of payment, such as receipts or confirmation codes. Always keep records of every transaction to avoid future issues and ensure your payments are correctly applied. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.